Hi, I'm David Grease with Teravail Tires here at Sea Otter. About a month ago, we launched two new tread patterns ranging from 27.5 by 2.3 all the way up to 29 by 2.6. One of the tread patterns, the name is called Ehline. It's a lower profile tread pattern, kind of around XC cross racing. And then a more all-around trail tire called the Honcho, which is like if you want one tire to do everything, that's the tire to go with. Both tires are tubeless ready, of course. Available in different construction offerings at different price points. That's really to round out a line of tires that we've been developing for several years in the gravel category and high volume all-road category. We're really happy with the Ehline and Honcho as new introductions a month ago to our line, because now we can get tires for more standard size fitments and frames. So if you've ever been wanting a pair of Teravail tires, we now have sizes that will fit your mountain bike. Here we have the Ehline with its sibling, the Honcho. Sometimes they're used as front and rear combinations. And we have the Cumberland and the Kennebec as well in our mountain bike tire line. And then on the end we have the Coronado, kind of built around bike packing. All of our tires are offered in 60 TPI casings and 3 different constructions. So you can choose whether you want a tan sidewall or a black sidewall for our light and supple construction. And then we have a durable construction in all of our tires as well. That usually involves a sidewall protection running from the bead all the way up to the edge of the tread. So if you want an impenetrable tire that is really strong, the durable option is the one to go with. In the all-road and gravel category for Teravail, we have several different tread offerings. On the far end here we have the Sparwood, which is basically a mountain bike size tire for ultra endurance riding, things like the riding down the Great Divide. And then you move into our Cannonball territory here, which is a faster rolling gravel tire with a diamond tread pattern offered in multiple sizes from 700 by 35 all the way up to 42, and then in a smaller 650B offering. On a more aggressive side, if you're doing really only gravel riding on aggressive rocky terrain, the Rutland is a new tire that we introduced a month ago, and that's going to get you through like the Dirty Kanza, anything that's super brutal. On the far end here, you have a really smoother tread pattern. It's really an all-road tire at a high volume casing. So when you're riding on really bumpy roads or you're riding a little bit of dirt to get to that pavement, the Rampart here on the end would be the tire of choice there. All of these are offered in a tubeless configuration in those 3 different offerings that I introduced in the mountain bike line as well. Starting now this summer, the Sparwood and the Cannonball are going to be featured on Salsa's OE spec bikes, the Journeyman being the prominent one there. You can also find our tires aftermarket through any bicycle shop in the U.S. We're distributed through Quality Bicycle Products, which has accounts with every single bike shop in the country. And for more information about the specifics of our tires, go to teravail.com.